students, welcome to Educators Mind. You are watching my channel, Educators Mind. Okay, so as usually we will discuss JEE's previous question. So when you will watch my channel, then definitely your knowledge will enhance, right? Okay, so please regularly watch my channel, please regularly visit my channel, and don't escape my video. If you skip my video, then there is no then you will there is no we can see that improvement in your knowledge. Okay, so it's only waste of time. So just use your time. Just don't waste your time, right? So let us discuss this question. In this question, which of the following reaction will not produce racemic product? Okay. So what is first we have to know about what is racemic product. So the compound which have a chiral carbon, will form racemic product. That means which have chiral carbon will exist in R and S configuration. Okay. So the chiral carbon have four different group. So that carbon is called chiral carbon. So let us discuss. Okay. So in this question, first H plus will attack at this pi bond. So this will be formed. Now this addition will according to Markovnikov addition, and this hydrogen will attach on that carbon which have more number of hydrogen. So in this pi bond, this have one and this have two hydrogen. So this H plus will attach at this carbon. So here carbocation will form. Now this Cl ion will attach. Sorry. Actually, this is secondary carbocation. So it will form more stable carbocation. So we can see that when this hydride will shift at this carbon, it will form 3-degree carbocation. Okay, so it will form 3-degree carbocation. Now this is a stable carbocation. Okay, so now product will form according to this carbocation, and this reaction will be going on by SN1 reaction. Okay, so this is more than one step reaction, as we know that according to SN1 reaction. So it will form product like this. Now let us see with this carbon, this CH3 and this CH3 both are same. So that means this is not a chiral carbon. That means it will not form racemic product. So this is accidental. In first chance we get the answer. But let us see rest of the three options. What is going on? What happens in all these three options? So our answer will be 1. But let us see rest of 3. Okay. So here also first H plus will attack at this carbon and H plus will attach at this carbon according to Markovnikov addition. So now this is secondary carbon. So in this compound there is no chance to form more than secondary carbon, that means 3-degree carbon. So the product will form according to this intermediate product. So the product will be like this. Now we can see that here all these 4 groups around this carbon is different. So we can see that this is chiral carbon. So it form R and S. That means it form racemic product. Okay, let us see about 3. So here this Cn ion will attach at this position at this carbon, and this is called nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, so this pi bond will shift on oxygen and negative charge will develop on the oxygen, right? So it will be like this. Now the H plus will attach at this negative this oxygen, and negative charge will remove. So we can see that here this carbon is a chiral carbon because all four groups are different. So it also form R and S product. That means R and S configuration, and both will be in equal amount. That means 50-50%. So which have 50-50% RNS will form racemic product. Okay. Now let us see about 4. So about 4. About 4. Okay. So also here addition it will according to Markov addition, and H plus will attach at this carbon. So here this is 3D carbocation. Okay, so this is a most stable carbocation, and product will form according to this intermediate. Okay, and Cl ion will attach at this carbon, so it will form like this. Okay, so this is CH3 and this is Cl. Okay, so we can see that here this carbon is a chiral carbon, right? So this carbon is a chiral carbon. Okay, and we can see that here because CH3 and Cl are different group, and also see when you move from this path and this path, from this path one carbon in between these and three carbon in between these. So we can see that this is and this is both are different groups. So this form also RNS, so it form also racemic product. So or rest of one all have RNS configuration, all form racemic product. That means our answer will be 1. Okay.